Your new Pressure King Pro makes cooking delicious meals fast and easy. It comes pre-programmed with 8 touch-of-a-button cooking functions, all with preset cooking times and temperatures, so you just set it and forget it. Here's how to do it. First, place your PKP on a clean, flat surface and plug it into its own power socket. Ensure the inner pot is in place, then add your ingredients. Remember to pierce any food with skins and add enough liquid. Close the lid and set the pressure release valve to the closed position. Then, select your cooking function from the display panel and PKP will automatically set the default cooking time to match. You'll see this on the screen. If you fancy a delicious home-cooked fish dish, simply press the fish function. There are also functions for stew, soup, rice, browning, meat, pasta, and slow cook. Check your manual for full details of each function. After you've selected your function, the display will flash for 5 seconds. At this point, you can adjust the cooking time by 1-minute intervals by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Once everything is set, the PKP does the rest. To use the slow cook function, ensure the pressure release valve is set to the open position. Then, press the keep warm/slow cook button. The display will say slow, and you'll now be able to amend the cooking time by 30-minute intervals using the plus and minus buttons. As a safety precaution, the pressure cooking functions and slow cook function will only work when the lid is securely in place. If you want to brown anything before cooking, don't close the lid. When the lid is off, the browning/meat function defaults to the browning setting. You'll notice the button flashing. Just press it and your PKP will heat up, allowing you to use it just like a frying pan. Once you finish browning, press cancel. To make sure your meals are always ready according to your schedule, PKP also has a 24-hour delay timer. To use this, press the delay timer button and then use the plus and minus buttons to set when you would like PKP to start cooking. Then, select your function and make any adjustments as usual. Remember, always wear oven gloves and an apron when it's time to release the pressure and open your PKP. The contents are very hot. Check out our Releasing the Pressure video for more information on how to open the lid safely after cooking. That's it. With PKP, cooking really is as simple as a touch of a button. Don't forget to check our quick start guide video for more information on using your Pressure King Pro.